Be ready. 5 seconds. Start. Presently to the spectrum of jurisdiction. Stop. Section 17 of the Act allows any person, including a borrower, aggrieved by any of the measures referred to in subsection 4 of the 13 taken by secured creditor to submit an application to the DRT having jurisdiction in the manner within 45 days from the date of such measures have been taken. Stop. Subsection 3 of section 17 empowers the DRT to question the action taken by the secured creditor and the transaction entered into by virtue of section 13 within bracket 4 of the Act. Stop. It has been held in Ashok Mill that the legislature, by virtue of incorporation of subsection 3 in section 17, has gone to the extent of vesting the DRAT with authority to set aside a transaction including sale and to restore possession to the borrower in appropriate cases. Stop. Section 18 of the Act makes provision for an appeal to the appellate authority from any order made by the DRT. Stop. The Debts Recovery Tribunal, needless to say, has the same jurisdiction as conferred under section 17 of the RDB Act. Stop. In this context, section 19 of the Act states the right of borrower to receive compensation and costs in certain cases. Stop. If the Debts Recovery Tribunal or the Court of District Judge on an application made under section 17A or the Appellate Tribunal or the High Court on an appeal preferred under section 18 or section 18A holds that the possession of secured assets by the secured creditor is not in accordance with the provisions of this Act and rules made thereunder, and directs the secured creditors to return such secured assets to the concerned borrowers, such borrower shall be entitled to the payment of such compensation and costs as may be determined by such tribunal or court of district judge or appellate tribunal or the high court referred to in section 18b para. We have reproduced the aforesaid section to point out that the legislature has brought in this provision by way of substitution by Act 30 of 2004 to confer jurisdiction on the DRT and DRAT to entertain a plea of the borrower for grant of compensation and costs as per the provisions of the Act. Stop. At this juncture, we may clarify that we do not intend to dwell upon the subtle distinction between the compensation and damages as canvassed at the bar, as that is not needed in this case. Stop.